Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to refund a game after 14 days and 2 hours playtime on Steam. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, got to open up the Steam app, or you got to open up the web version of Steam, and then just go ahead over to your profile, click on it. Now click on account details. Now go ahead and click on purchase history right here. Okay, click on it. Now go and find the game that you wanted to get a refund, okay? And you will be able to see the date right here as well. So just for example, I'm going to use NBA 2K25 right here. I'm just going to click on it. And then once it loads, in the section that says, what issue are you having with this purchase? You can go ahead and click on, I would like a refund. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and click on, I'd like to request a refund. Now, once that's done, you gotta scroll all the way down. And by the way, DLCs will be included as well if it's bought as a package, okay? So I'm gonna scroll down. So reason right here, click on drop down, and then you would need to select either game-breaking bugs or severe performance issues, technical issues, or the game was purchased but unplayable due to server issues, okay? You just gotta choose from one of these options right here. Or maybe you just purchased this one by accident, okay? Or multiplayer doesn't work. Just go and select from one of these options. Now in the notes section, clearly explain why you are requesting a refund despite exceeding the 2-hour or 14-day limit, okay? Again, a good reason include game-breaking bugs or severe performance issues, like maybe I would like to get a refund on this game because it got some game-breaking bugs, technical issues, maybe long loader times or background runtime problems when using your computer, or the game was purchased but unplayable due to server issues. And do let the Steam support know that you are aware, okay, that you have exceeded the 14-day limit. Okay, I know I have exceeded of 2 hours. I do apologize. Just like that, okay? You have to be polite and detailed. Explain your situation calmly, as rude requests are likely or less likely to be approved. So go ahead and enter your note right here, and then just go ahead and click on submit request, and you will get a response from the email that is tied to your Steam account. All right, and there you have it. That is how you refund a game after 14 days and 2 hours playtime on Steam. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.